You ever wondered these few things no criminal mechanist will tell you about your brand new pressure washer? Then stay tuned, because I have got the inside scoop. Number one thing you need to know. Your brand new pressure washer does not come with oil in the engine. Before you start it for the very first time, you need to put oil in it, and we're gonna walk through how. Before we go over how to set up your brand new pressure washer, let's talk about the new equipment that you just bought recently to set up your pressure washer. First, we've got two different kinds of funnels for your oil. You can use a nice big long one so you can pour in a bunch of oil at once, not have to wait a long time, or a small one that has a little mesh at the bottom to catch any debris or dirt that might go into your pump, which is very harmful for a successful pressure washer. Next, you need your 10W30 motor oil. Almost all pressure washers run off 10W30, but another important thing is you need to check your owner's manual, which tells you what oil you need. And then, of course, have some rags just in case you make a little mess, because oil is a little bit dirty and nobody likes that. Now that you have acquired your brand new pressure washer, let's jump right in how to set it up. First, we get to your main dipstick, which has these X's on the stick, which you want to fill up to the very top. You want to get right to the first thread of the stick when filling up your engine. And now you just pour that John in. Once you're all finished filling it up, remember, the oil needs to go to the very first thread or the top of the X's. You can go ahead and screw that cap back on. And don't be concerned if your machine has two caps and two drain nuts. They have the same on the other side. Another cap with no dipstick and another nut to drain all the oil out, just because these engines are purpose built for all sorts of tools and they want to make them applicable in all fashions. And that should be it. You may want to check your pump's oil levels, but usually brand new pressure washers come already filled up with oil. As you can see, the oil's the top of this line here, the top of this mark. So it's nice and full with oil. Don't have to worry about that. Just make sure that you get oil, 10W30 oil, into your motor before you run your pressure washer for the very first time.
Ooh-wee. What the? Honey, call the EMT. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by its toe. If it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Get off my property!